Oh, look at that. This is a big piece too, guys. Oh, Cajun honey butter braided salmon. Come on, guys. Let's get involved in round 2 on this one. Oh, that's very good. All right, guys, come on. Let's get involved. Hello and welcome to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Wil Blumberg, and tonight, guys, we've got an amazing show for you. We've got some killer players showing up. We have Ian Atkinson coming in on some keys. We also have Kevin Peffer, who's gonna be doing some bass for us. We have Arthur Zaragoza, gonna be playing some guitar. We also have Matt Horhoda, gonna be doing some saxophone, and myself, Wil Blumberg, on drums. So what are we cooking tonight, guys? I got kind of a funky surprise for you. We're gonna be cooking up a Cajun honey butter braided salmon. I just got that out. I can't believe I did it, Jeff, but here we go. All right, guys, you guys ready to get involved? Let's go. Boom. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start off with getting the skin off of this salmon. How we're gonna do that is I've got some boiling water here, and we're gonna boil the skin off. And you should be able to see the skin curl as I put this on. Okay, cool. Now that we've gotten our skin off of here, I'm going to put it on the cutting board and I'm going to cut it into thirds. Then we're going to put on some olive oil for a binder. We're going to be using some Cajun seasoning. We're actually going to be using 2 different seasonings tonight. And then we're going to be putting it on the green egg. We're going to be cooking that at about 300 degrees for about 20 or so minutes until it comes up to temp. We're going to be pulling it, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm also going to make this Cajun honey butter glaze. So there we go. Now we're gonna cut this into thirds. We're gonna leave a little bit left at the top so it doesn't come apart. So now we're gonna go on. We have 2 different rubs we're using tonight. So the first one is a Possum's Cajun seasoning. You can check that out if you like. My wife really likes this one, so we're gonna give this one a shot on one of them. And on the other, we have Rib Rack Spice Rub Cajun. So we're gonna check this one out as well. Now we're gonna go in for the braid. So, okay, now I'm going to throw this on the baker's rack and cut into this next one. So, hey, look, I can put it both on one rack. I can cook them at the same time. How perfect is that? Okay, next we're going to be going on to the green egg here in just a second. I'm going to get washed up and I'm going to let this sweat out for just a second, and we'll be right back. You guys enjoy these jams. Guys, we're going on the green egg. We're gonna wait for this to come up to temp, and we'll be right back. Oh man, look at those beauties. Woo! By the way, this is an indirect cook. You don't want to cook directly over the coals. You want to have it indirect, so the fire is not right on that salmon. All right, we're going in for this glaze. So what we're going to be using is we're using a stick of butter. Next, we're going to go in with some Cajun seasoning. And we're going to go in with some honey. We're going to mix this up. And this is what we're going to be using for our glaze. Got the guys warming up in the studio right now. Hope you guys are enjoying these jams, enjoying this show. We're having a great time over here, people. You guys like and subscribe. We'll be right back. Woo. All right, it's time to baste up these salmon, so here we go. Oh my God, people, this smells so good. Woo, come on. Okay, time to pull, guys. We are up to temp. We are glazed. The salmon's glazed. Time to go in. All right. Oh, look at all that butter just sitting on top. Dude, look at that. Hope y'all are ready to get involved with some of this salmon, guys. Yeah. Holy moly. Holy moly. Alright, hey look, guys, here we go. We're gonna start getting the fellas over here. We're gonna tear into the salmon, see what they think about this. So we've got Kevin Pepper here tonight. We have Arthur Zaragoza here tonight. Come on, Kevin, what's going on?
Let's go, let's go.
Yes, we've got
They
Ian
said
over
fish.
here. We've got Matt.
I was here.
Yes, dude, we are going all in. What are you ready to get involved?
I'm ready to get involved.
All right, cool. Well, here, let me take you off a piece over here.
Let's get involved.
Let's
with
get
that
involved.
Hey, we're gonna do everybody. Just go in and grab a
This
piece.
piece.
Ian, go ahead.
We got Matt over here.
Here you
Come
go.
on, dude.
We're gonna do
just tear it up.
salmon cheers.
What's up?
Oh,
Arthur Zaragoza.
That's okay. You're ready.
Now this was the herby one. This is the less herby one.
I'll take one.
We got Ian. Come on, guys. You guys tear it up. What do you think?
Salmon cheers.
Salmon cheers. Salmon cheers.
You know, I've already been into it,
It's very salmony, right?
Oh yeah, it's very
It's got some
amazing.
It's very. Hey, dude, come on. I like that adjective. Hey, what else do we have? Any other?
I'm liking it.
Liking it. Amazing.
I want it.
Most incredible thing you've ever had.
I want to try
Oh,
the
that was a
one.
double. Come on, guys. Come on.
I'm gonna need the other.
All right,
we're looking at
what's going on.
more.
All right, cool. Let me get it all cut up here, and you guys just dive in and grab whatever piece you want. Don't be shy.
Oh, never failing us once again.
I want to try those. I tried the light one already. Let's try the heavy.
Yeah, give that one a shot right there, buddy. Come on. Mazzie's in the firing zone down there. She's hooking it up.
I like the heavier one.
It's alive. It's alive, baby. Come on.
I'm gonna have to say I like this one better.
Oh, all right.
Me too. I
But
like the heavy one better.
they're both delicious.
Yes.
Oh, you're great.
Thank you very much for that. So, all right. So you guys are digging their little.
I like that one better. Yeah.
What about you guys? What do you think?
I'm gonna see.
You're gonna.
And we got some sausage desserts here.
There you go.
Ah, nice.
Sausage morsels.
Arthur, what do you think, buddy?
pass those up.
I know. It's a
If you had to
little
drop
different
me-
flavor profile.
If you had to drop me in
Yeah, but
it's a little bit lighter.
Yeah, the glaze, the honey glaze is nice.
Oh, you like it? Yeah. It's good stuff. What are you thinking? Which one's your favorite out of these two? Y'all have a favorite, or you just like them both the same?
Both, man.
All right, cool. I'll take that. Sweet.
I'm not picky, man. You know?
All right, cool. Well, who else we have? What other victims we have over here? We've got Martine, we have James Salzer, we've got Ryan Cobb, we have his buddy Markin over here. Mark, you think you can enjoy this? Here, let me cut this up. Let me just get this going for you guys.
There's some underneath there.
You guys grab a piece.
Man, it
just
smells
dive
so good.
in. Don't even be shy. Come on.
Here you go, guys.
This is a ton
Go
of
on in.
salmon.
What's the difference? What's the difference?
Well, we have two different
one
rubs
closer
on
to
it.
us is like
Same
earthier.
glaze though. It's a honey glaze that I put on them.
You gotta watch the video, James.
Yeah, you gotta check it out.
Make you ready.
Okay.
That's more of an herb.
Yeah. Earthy.
Yeah, I would say more earthy on that one for sure.
Excellent.
Just go for it. Just big old shot there, James Salzer.
Choke though.
Wow.
Holy moly!
Ooh, that
There she is.
Yeah, it's a little spicy.
Onion in there, I think.
Jalapeno cheddar. Yeah, man.
It's wonderful.
Yeah, all right, there it is. I didn't know it was coming. I was like, wait a minute. Where's this going?
What's that one?
No, this is a different one. This is that possum's Cajun seasoning also.
Possum?
Yes, I know. It's the way they named it, but it's a possum's Cajun seasoning.
Yes, it's possum seasoning.
Oh.
Mark, go ahead and step in there.
Mark, don't be shy, brother.
Yeah,
Come on in,
you
buddy.
just got to elbow your way in.
Wow. That's wonderful.
Dude. Yeah.
Have to change this to...
I'm not a sea guy, but
You're enjoying it.
I'll put my nose in
Okay,
the water
cool.
for this one.
Nice. Not bad? All right, cool. Everybody's still alive, so it must be doing
Have to
something.
change it from a meat party to a fish party.
Hey, that's all right. Little surf and turf tonight. We're doing all right.
Both are great.
Excellent, excellent, excellent.
Cool, guys.
I don't have a better one. They're equally.
Very good. All right, very cool. All right, guys. Hey, we're having a great time over here. We're partying. You guys get involved in some of these salmon and also some of these jams. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we had an excellent show tonight. It was so much fun. The salmon turned out incredible. The jams, oh my god. You guys tell me down in the comments what you think of that, but what do you guys think of that food tonight?
Oh,
That was awesome. Come on, Mark. Hey, Mark, what's going on? I'm all right, cool. Guys, hey, look, we also have a newcomer over here. We got Ryan Cobb's buddy over here. His name's Mark, and we're going to hook him up with some merch. From the merch company, by the way, very much Derek Inter. Come on down, Mark.
Woo, Mark.
Yeah. What's going on, man? Thanks for being on the show and hanging out and wanting to eat some of my food, and you're still alive, so that's good. Hey, so this is some swag we have here from the merch company. This one's definitely way too big for you, but we're gonna get you another size anyway. I wanted to hook you up with that and say, hey, thank you. You've been BBQ Jams. Yeah. Boom! Come on! Where's all the stuff? All right, cool, man. Hey guys, we're having a ball over here. As always, like, subscribe. You know the drill. Come on. Bam!
Hey, wonderful.
Wonderful.
Yeah, man.
You